Hey, what's up everyone? Hope you guys are all doing good out there. So, gonna do a real quick video on American Well. As you can see, I ended up purchasing 450 shares today, right before market close actually. So, I'm in on this stock because I do think it's gonna recover from a really horrible day. As you can see, it was down 18%. So in this video, I'll go over exactly why I got into it, when I'll be getting out, and why was it down so much today. Before I do, just want to let you know, I'm not an investment or financial advisor, and these videos are for entertainment purposes only. Also, guys, go ahead and give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Alright, so first and foremost, it's down 18% because it actually had earnings yesterday. So American Wealth is a telehealth stock, right? So they're basically a new company in the stock market. They've been around for, I believe, 10 plus years. I may be wrong. Let's actually check. Yeah, so they've been around for almost 14 years, right? So, but they're a very innovative company when it comes to healthcare and especially telehealth, right? So that space is, as we all know, stocks like Teladoc, stocks in that space are, in my opinion, do have a good upside just because of things being more remote, things being more virtual, right? So what happened yesterday, or actually what happened today, was they had earnings yesterday, right? So as we can see, had a sharp drop right after the earnings call. This was basically, they actually had a horrible earnings. So they were estimated a loss of negative 0.28, ended up coming up with negative 9.2, right? So that was pretty bad. However, they did have a pretty okay, good outlook for the upcoming quarter. They're basically projecting revenue to increase by a few million, a little more than what analysts are projecting. So overall, I got into it because I do think it's going to recover at least half of this, because I do think well, this stock, first of all, has a lot of volume, right? And I do think this stock has good long-term growth, which is exactly why I got so many shares. Because let's say if it keeps dropping, I'll just hold on to it, and I'm fine holding on to it for 6 months, even a year. I doubt that it's gonna stay below $25 for the next year. I do think it's gonna recover, and if it does recover, like let's say if it goes up to 28 or 26 or even 30, I mean, if it goes up to close to 30, I'll go ahead and get rid of it and make around like $1,000 or so, right? So I'm cool with that. Just got into this play because I do think we could probably get it for cheaper, but I don't want to take that risk because I believe in this space so much, because I do think there's a lot of, like I said, potential in the telehealth space. As for overall in the market, virus case counts are on the surge. They're rising, and I do think if we do have more and more restrictions, stocks like stay at home stocks and even like telehealth stocks are gonna see some positive outlook in the market. So yeah, so that's why I got into it. Like I said, I'm probably gonna wait until this goes up close to 30 and get rid of the shares, or if it keeps dropping, I'll hold on to it. But definitely want to know what you guys think of American Well. One last thing, it is a brand new stock in the stock market, right? So it had an IPO back in September. As you can see, started off pretty slow, then ended up reaching all-time highs on October 8th. So definitely want to hear what you guys think on this stock, and overall, telehealth overall, and any other stocks that you guys may be investing in. Let me know in the comment section below. Please go ahead and like the video and subscribe to the channel. Other than that, thanks for watching.